Imagination is more important than knowledge. The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge, but imagination. Imagination is everything. It is the preview of life's coming attractions. There is perhaps no stronger trait that one could have than that of a strong imagination. Imagination is everything, because without it, we cannot create anything new. Imagination is the preview of life's coming attractions, because without it, we are guaranteed to repeat the same patterns, make the same mistakes, and live the same life over and over again. With it, there are no limits. There's no limit to what we could attempt, no limit to how high we could soar, how big we could dream. Sure, our dreams might end in the dust, but what if they don't? Would you rather live having tried to reach the life you want, or die with regret? We need to let go of our need to fit into this small box society placed us in. And we must imagine the life we really want. Then, when we are certain what that life is, we have to go for it. We only get one shot at this miracle of human life. Live it fully and exactly how you want. Sure, we all have dreams. The problem is, most people stuff their dreams in the closet when things get hard. When life presents challenges, most people turn to what they know. They turn to what is easy. But the easy road and the known will never lead you to your dreams. There are only two ways to live your life. One is as though nothing is a miracle. The other, as though everything is a miracle. He who can no longer pause to wonder and stand wrapped in awe is as good as dead. His eyes are closed. It really is that simple. It really is a choice. No matter the circumstance of our life, we can choose to see everything around us as a miracle. The very fact that we are here in a human body is said to be a 1 in 400 trillion chance. Very few of us believe we are a walking miracle. Sadly, so many people are walking around living in their head, pessimistic of the future and bitter from the past, so much so that they are missing the miracles in the present. Open your eyes and open your heart to the magic all around you, the miracle of human and animal life, the miracles of nature, the miracle of you, and what you're really capable of when you let go of caring what other people think of you. Choose from this very moment on in your life to seek and find the miracles around you. Great spirits have always encountered violent opposition from mediocre minds. Albert Einstein. They say the only things guaranteed in life are death and taxes. You can add to that list the impossibility to please everyone. The simple fact is, when you want to change, as in when you want to better your life, there will be opposition. And unfortunately, that opposition is most likely to come from people close to you. Many people won't like your advancement because it will remind them of their lack of it. Many people won't agree with your direction because it will remind them of their lack of it. No matter what or who the opposition, you must stay true to you and true to what is right. Do the right thing by others, and most importantly, by yourself. Those who matter will come around eventually, and those who don't matter. Live your life with purpose, intention, full of spirit, and make no apologies to mediocre minds for dreaming and living big. We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. Insanity. doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. Yes, we must dream big. Yes, we must try new things. But if life is not going the way you planned, perhaps it is time to try a different approach. You don't need to change your goal, but you might need to change the road you take to get to it. Never stop learning and developing yourself. You will find a way. A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. The fact that you're committed to grow, learn more, and be more almost guarantees you will make mistakes and fail somewhere, somehow along the way. Remember, it is only considered a failure, though, if you give up. Keep at it. Learn the lesson and allow it to serve you. Don't let anyone discourage you because of mistakes. It is a guaranteed trait of all winners and curious seekers. Learn from yesterday. Live for today. Hope for tomorrow. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing. I have no special talents. I am only passionately curious. Never stop questioning everything in your life. Be so present and in touch with yourself that you can feel when it's time for change. Never lose that childlike curiosity to learn more, develop more, and discover more. Never lose hope that your best is yet to come. Never lose that knowing that you are a miracle. Never lose that presence that not many people have. Strive not to be a success, but rather be of value. Add value wherever and whenever possible. Not just in your work life, but in all interactions with everyone. Then you will be a success. You will have more riches than money can buy.